Hi, this is Paige Agarwal, and this is a walkthrough for my website, my digital portfolio, my personal social media accounts, and my resume and more. So this is my homepage of my site, and it basically just welcomes anyone onto my site. And my next tab is academics. Over here, I listed my high school diploma, that I was in National Junior Honor Society and Honor Society, and that I got high honor roll for all semesters in high school, and that I'm at Stony Brook currently. Under the athletics tab, I wrote more of my recent accomplishments, and these don't include all of my shows. That's why I added this tab right here, multiple ribbons won from multiple competitions. And my next tab is extracurriculars. And this is where I added all of my violin experience. So I was in this orchestra, GYO, Gemini Youth Orchestra, for a couple years, and then I switched to a different orchestra, Metropolitan Youth Orchestra, and I added this bullet, performance at Lincoln Center, because we performed at multiple prestigious venues, and that was probably the nicest one, and really the only one I can remember as of now. I definitely have to update it more, but I'll do that with time. And then I put a contact page where it has links to my resume, my LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and e-portfolio. So this is my resume. It's very basic. I just have my name and my basic information, and I have a short little summary of myself here in the profile. And under experience, I put the 2 jobs that I've had, intern and marketing manager, and bullet points of what I do during those jobs. And then I added my education. So I'm currently at Stony Brook, and then I have my high school diploma, and then I added some skills like bullet points. This is my e-portfolio with some of the writing works I have. And I have some fun facts here on my homepage. And under this class, Writing 102, I have a cover letter, a personal narrative, rhetorical analysis, and research argument. And under Eco 359, I have my final paper. And I have a version of it to read directly off of here, or there's an attached link to go straight to the Google Docs. And this is my personal Instagram that I use to promote myself and create a web presence as an athlete. I post many things like videos, pictures. This one was particularly a throwback because this pony actually died recently, so it was kind of a memorabilia post. And if I go down a little bit, see I have I do have a couple personal photos, but all of it is pretty much horses, and I do some interactive posts as this, where I introduce the horses I own and give fun facts about them. This is good because if a sponsor is interested in me, they can see the horses I own, the competitions I've been at, how well I've been doing, and all that. Another personal social media site I have is Facebook. As you see, it's actually not my name. I've been hacked, and unfortunately, due to Facebook's rules and regulations, I can't change it back until 60 days has passed. So that's one thing about social media, is that you're prone to hackers. But again, I post a lot of horse stuff, and this was actually a warning video that I shared because people don't understand how dangerous it is when you're driving with horse trailers and stuff. So potential employers can see my character and how I like to follow the rules. And this is my LinkedIn. This is purely for professional uses, and I'm still working on it. I just made it recently, but I've put my work experience, my Stony Brook education there, and I'm making connections. And so far, I haven't really posted anything yet, but like I said, I just made it, so I'm in the process of building it. And in addition, I do work as a marketing manager for Oliphant for the company Cooper Hand. So this is a preview of the Instagram that I made. I just made it this past summer, so there's only a handful of posts. But this is also good because future employers can see the work that I've done with this brand and will be eager to hire me if they like what I did.